Welcome to Device Help Support, your ultimate destination for everything related to device setup, troubleshooting, and optimizing your tech experiences. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos related to setup, troubleshooting, and unboxing. And don't forget to press the bell icon so you don't miss our latest videos. In today's video we will discuss how to set up Fululuer Wi-Fi Extender using the WPS push button. This is the easiest method to set up the any extender within 2 minutes without any username or password. If you're looking for the best extender that gives you the perfect Wi-Fi range coverage, then this video is specially made up for you. Basically, the Fululuer Wi-Fi Extender is a simple device that helps boost your existing Wi-Fi signal to cover weak or dead zones in your home. So without wasting any time, let's start the setup process. I hope in the end, this video will prove helpful for you. Firstly, plug the Fululuer extender into a wall socket close to your router, same room if possible. Turn the extender on. Some models have a power switch. Wait for the power LED to become stable, usually 10 to 60 seconds after powering on. If LED never comes on, try a different outlet or check the power switch/adapter. Now locate the WPS button on your router. Many routers require a short press, 1 to 3 seconds, some require a quick press then release. Press the router's WPS button. You'll usually see the router's WPS LED start blinking. This means the router is in pairing mode. Important, after pressing router WPS, you typically have 2 minutes to start pairing on the extender. Within 2 minutes of pressing the router's WPS, press the WPS button on the extender. On some extenders you press once, on others press and hold 1 to 2 seconds. The extender's WPS LED should blink to indicate it's attempting to pair. Wait 20 to 90 seconds for the devices to exchange credentials. Wait for 20 to 60 seconds. When the connection is successful, the Wi-Fi/signal LED will turn solid or show a strong signal. This means the extender is now paired with your router. Unplug it and move the extender to a spot between your router and weak Wi-Fi area. Ensure the signal LED shows a good strength, green/solid. Setup complete. Your Fululuer Wi-Fi extender is now connected and boosting your Wi-Fi. I hope this video will prove helpful for you. If you're stuck in middle of the process, then don't worry. Contact our professional experts at 1-323-507-3713. They will solve your problem as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Devices Help and Support. And also stay tuned for the more updates.